I'm here picking up something for the 62, man. Surprise, I've been keeping it a secret. But it's gonna be a big surprise. Gonna change the whole 62 all completely. Ain't gonna be the same 62. Got the trailer. Waiting on them to come get it. So you gonna be able to see right there. Alright, just got back. Picking this shipment up for this 62. 62. So about to unbox it. I ain't gonna tell you what it is, but when I unbox it, I ain't gonna tell you what it is, but when I unbox it, you'll know. Any car person should know what's going on right now. Any car person should know all they need to see right now. But I'll show you the rest of it. Rack. Got this whole lip. That's what I need right here. This lip. Chrome across the back. Rack. Chrome across the front. Latches. And this. That's what I need. Split it right here. Across. All that. On both sides. See the spot welds? 1, 2, 3. See the spot weld? Drill the spot welds out. Split it right there. Take that off. Both sides. Put it in there. If you watch the videos, you saw me drilling those out. Are you feeling me yet, man? Are you feeling me yet, B? It's gonna be a big one. It's gonna be a big one. Anybody that's been following me, they seen me do truck, seen me do my dad's vert, you see me do my hard top. Or if you've been following me over the years and you know what I'm capable of, I need y'all to drop me a comment, man. If you've seen every car I did, I need you to drop me a comment.